Neeraj Gupta was born on 1969. He is an Indian sculptor. Passionate about his craft, New Delhi-based sculptor Neeraj Gupta believes that traditional sculpturing continues to be a potent form of art as it displays a standing tradition of the cultural, regional, and religious beauty of India. Therefore, his works are compelling extensions of Indian art forms like Rasa, Bhava and philosophical text but he has intuitively transformed the traditional into contemporary and modern forms. Through his signature creations Grotesque Heads, the artist explores the meaning of perceived reality and the creativity of human mind. Depicting the anxieties of modern life, these distinctive style of heads with impressive figural distortion and descriptive thick layers of pigmented cement treatment can be described as flecked, peculiar and appealing. Despite being a self-taught artist, Neeraj has carved a place for himself and has held more than 15 solo exhibitions in India and abroad. He won lots of awards. In 2019 Eminent Artist of India in the 60th National Exhibition of Art by Lalit Kala Academy, National Academy of Art, 2017 Silver Medal in Florence Biennale Award. Sashitya Kala Parishad Award, 28th Annual Art Exhibition, 2004, finalist for WAA Small Sculpture Prize 2018 out of 666 entries 2018.
For more video, subscribe our channel and switch the bell button all. I hope you like the video. Please like and share. Thank for watching.